back to ALH Success Lane's Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's fashion edition, I am going to share with you what my daughter received as her birthday surprise. You will also see in this video her or just some of her designer luxury items. Now the question may be asked, why do we purchase designer items for our daughter? And my response is, why not? The reality is that purchasing designer items teaches my daughter several lessons. Number one, she learns to appreciate, not that she doesn't appreciate all of her clothing and purses and things of that nature, but it teaches her to really appreciate expensive items because they ultimately will have a resale value, meaning she has sold several of her items on sites such as Tracy and The Real. So this is teaching her that the items are classified as investments. So she has learned a lot from that. And as you know, learning and understanding how money works is very important for our young people. So sit back, relax, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And remember, it's not necessarily about how much the item costs, but we must teach our young people to appreciate whatever they have. So thanks so much for watching.
Perfect.